Guys, it's the last video of the week, and if you guessed it, it's dividing monomials with 3 variables and numbers. Yay! Okay, so to look at our first example, let's go with a 9. Oh, sorry, I need to press the pen. A 9x squared y to the 4th z to the 2nd over 3 x4 y to the 3rd z to the 5th. All right, guys, so really, we're just adding another variable with the number. We're using the same rules we've been using all week and actually the week prior. So first we're going to look at our 9 divided by 3. And if you do 9 divided by 3, you get 3. Okay, then we're going to look at our x's. What's bigger, 4 or 2? 4 is bigger, so the x is going to go in the bottom since the x to the 4th is in the bottom. 4 minus 2 is 2, so you get x squared. Now we're going to go to our y's. What's bigger, 4 or 3? Well, 4 is bigger, and y to the 4th is in the top, so y is going to go in the top. Now, 4 minus 3 is 1, so you have y to the first power, or you can just put y, because essentially your exponent is invisible. Now we're going to go to z. What's bigger, 5 or 2? Well, 5 is bigger, and 5 is in the bottom, so your z is going to go in the bottom. Now we're just going to do 5 minus 2, which is 3, so the 3 goes in the bottom. That is your answer. You are done. Guys, if you piece this, it'll be very easy. Just go one at a time, okay? Don't try to get ahead of yourself and try to do multiple steps at once. All right, let's go to another problem. Let's try 3. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. So let me actually erase that. I don't know, it's yellow. I don't know how I feel about that. All right, so let's do 3 x5 y4 z over 12 x4 y6 z3. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our big numbers, okay? If you do 3 divided by 12, you get 1/4. Okay, guys, you really don't have to put that one there because you only put that one there if there's nothing in the numerator. But I like to put it there just in case. So now we're going to look at our x's. What's bigger, 5 or 4? 5 is bigger, 5 is in the top, so our x is going to go in the top. 5 minus 4 is 1, so this is x to the first power, or just x. Then we're going to look at our y's. What's bigger, 4 or 6? 6 is bigger, and y to the 6 is in the bottom, so your y is going to go in the bottom. 6 minus 4 gives you 2, so it's going to be y squared in the bottom. Last but not least, we're going to look at our z's. All right, this is a z to the first power. Put the 1 there if that helps you. All right, so what's bigger, 3 or 1? Well, 3 is bigger, and z to the 3rd's in the bottom, so our z is going to be in the bottom. 3 minus 1 is 2, so you're going to have z squared. So your answer is x over 4y squared z squared. Ooh, a lot of talking real fast. All right, I am going to do one more with you. Okay, so we did a 9, a 3. Let's go with a 10, x 2, y 4, z 3 over 5, x 3, y 6, z 4. All right, guys, first thing we're going to do, 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 2 will be in the top. So now we're going to look at our x's. 2 or 3 bigger? 3 is bigger, and x to the 3rd is in the bottom, so our x is going to go in the bottom. 3 minus 2, sorry, it doesn't even look like that much like an x. All right, 3 minus 2 is 1, so it's just going to be x to the first power. Don't mind my messy drawings. Now let's go to y, and we're going to look what's bigger, 4 or 6. Well, 6 is bigger, so our y is going to go on the bottom. And 6 minus 4 is 2, so we're going to have y squared in the bottom. And then last, we're going to look at our z's. We have a 3 in the top and a 4 in the bottom. Now, 4 is bigger than 3, so that means z is going to go in the bottom because z to the 4th is in the bottom. And now we're going to do 4 minus 3, which is 1. So we can just call it z because we don't need z to the first power. So our answer for this would be 2 over x y squared z. And that's it for today. Hope you guys have a good one.